Yeah, reporting from the Millennium City Council. From the time I heard Funny Face issue, I had to rush over and look into it and see how we can help. I can organize boys, the comedians and other celebrities to get to the bottom of it. So you can see Millennium City Council. So I've extensively followed it till now. It's about 2 a.m. I'm now going home. All I can say is thank to Ghana Police for coming to the scene quickly, else he would have been lynched. And also, nobody's dead. Nobody's dead. Thank you.
Funny Face has stepped on so many toes, including me and my Papa Father Dixon. Papa, for Funny Face bonnet channel, what? Papa for channel. I am the year wa card be chemi. I am so sad. I have never prayed for somebody like I. Many Gloria Casa, Kwakuti offers Gloria. Many Gloria Casa of fools for Gloria said, Jesus, Mr. Gloria, they are or say Funny Face in accident. Na and Colani Ninu, me have shame. Me have shame because Funny Face or Don Colapa. And it's a Funny Face at the car, Bakola. And there's something that he can never recover from.
I have for Mama Matsana say, OhenebaMedia, and I know me no bon como, ewo kasamfoni so etchel say, yenu abema Funny Face. Say no, nene ya wasada na di, ewo social media no so no, pa da na di akyere se, wo say yes in that demo. Me no me no be ya dwen say break akra nie, ana yenu depression kakra bi chi na, ke ya Funny trim a, yede no cause psychiatric, ekope na yaresa. Waba ye bibia ye edi amano amana nsemu akra me no mienu edi adanse sasa mojan eba social media no so nka oba bepeto mfuto kakra edi amano se de bema na setenemu akoyie na nsemu ho no de beto dwa se ni baby mama ya friend Vanessa asa kan ho bioma mmofra one na abaye yawo ya o se nka makwan ma no kosra mmofra na so de mmofra ebesra no se de bema ono so ne ma na ehunu no asa baba wa we emma na hokwan Nisenti okasa oba no eye bayfo.
Hey ama we a bayfo wati we a bayfo ye tell me as say obi ba life say but this time me mouse a chance no me mouse a chance kwala no makuma munnim how crazy I am about them we post to where we are mesan post to me no mo chat
What one so man said ye can't say we ye ne na wotwemu ani eno ada arawo se ma beto dwa se Funny Face ka wo yusu no ene wo de akwakonya akwanhia na akwanhia no mu ho no nhwehwemu ada na di ama na hu se ebo maame bi ne ma mienu ya wo ka ne nyina bo ma nipa miensa ana kai abo wo mo se de hu wo screen so no saa na tie eno akina ade akina no pe ya ye nhwehwemu ahodo nyina ahu se de na wo ka ekire se nipa miensa kai bo wo mu abofra na oka nkura wo nye yie ebie prepare bia yesi no emu nsem se na setie wokọ other media portals ni nyina oma blog se obi egu obi afrim se ne tie DKB e de ababa tudwa ono no eye social media content creator any other media outlet ni nyina enso de ababa tudwa e kire se obi ani ho a we frame na emom no omo e prepare ya me no ka se omo ayaresa bia omo epe ayarehwe.
Yeah, reporting from the Millennium City Council. From the time I heard Funny Face issue, I had to rush over and look into it and see how we can help. I can organize boys, the comedians and other celebrities to get to the bottom of it. So you can see Millennium City Council. So I've extensively followed it till now. It's about 2 a.m. I'm now going home. All I can say is thank to Ghana Police for coming to the scene quickly, else he would have been lynched. And also, nobody's dead. Nobody's dead. Thank you.
Komoimu ana Afia Schwarzenegger ya oba social media no so ene social media so ntokwa de hema eno no oba beka asem ade afa Funny Face akwenhye ya wanya eho nye ono so ngo dodo na so akasa ade afa ho se Funny Face nye wo komu no me ye nhwe ha na emum no depression ade a eche no ye nkomususu se wontu na adwemu kura mfemfiri ne baby mama ehu na nkebe yimpo a wontu kwan kakra nkotena mo no non fan refreshing the mind na wonyai se wotete na wo ha wanhwe yi a one here beda sore no yenti asem pa bia na wakwakofa ahoma asan ne mene enti no yenyina yenka yenua bema funny face ewo empire bom.
I started praying. I started praying. I started praying. And I told my friend on the phone, me catch her Gloria, and once again I can call her. Me catch her Gloria say, "Onyame nkonko de mato, onyame nkonko de ato makoma mu say, sa accident way, and then nyame be fa so, no de age funny face, and so we should pray for him. He's going through a lot. Mental health, adwene mu yare, se nyame say." Maybe ma wofi enyo no nepe yesi no wano nsa ofo so no anya pese obekọ akọfa nsa no na wa drive it funny face enkola papa na wo de car koku nkola. We should just pray. We should just pray for mental strength. And see that they be a catch them. Emma will be stressed. No, Kofi and Koda. O deserving him, I'm a cha. Farmer and him, I'm a cha. Nako. Emma will be stressed. Now, one na. Now, one. Emma be stressed. Emma be stressed. Fucking depression is real. Depression can lead to so many things. Emma will be nkwasiafo bi to say something wa and stress. Emma will be stressed. Obi a won him the difference between Burberry, Gucci and an ordinary t-shirt. Emma is stressed. Emma me say what deserving him am check or you will suffer kwa fama. So will be deserving him am check and change so 10 minutes. Fane mame chairman left and right neko because my dear, depression can lead to so many things. And when it gets there, only God can save you. When it gets there, only God can save you. And me debi ameka wo happy so. When things are not working for you, you praise God. Every day me ka wo happy so. So we hear bibi when Yankopon wa e mompaye. Praise him because God does wonders in his praises. When things are not working for you, that is where you have to go into the altar of praise and praise God like David did. And when everything is working for you, when you're on the journey of success, pray like you are crazy. When you are climbing, say bibi eko ye mawa bompa ye te say bibi asen. When nothing is working for you, say wo twenya me ani ma bibi wo pa wo pe kunu. If you want to get married, every day set up your wedding date and hold that paper and dance to the glory of God and worship God and thank God. But when things are working for you, se sa wari no wonsa som sa dwuma na wo pedi se wunya service no se wunya, that is when battle begins. Battle begins when success shows its face. Obonsam o ye krasini like that. Obonsam o ye krasini like that. Enye ma nye ye ma wa eko ma usu. Sa mo chewa eko na sa wa ni di obedi. When everything is working for you, and when abonsam ye krasini. And when abonsam beto akamfo ama, and when the nipa wunim wo mo ebetna sia concourt nsem de ato so, that is where you will pray like you are mad. And that is where most of the celebrities they fall, because nipa started so I am funny then the ref, you know. Nipa started so hey now ref you. Yeah, can't food you afro no. Yeah, can't food wachacha. Yeah, can't food you afro. Now yeah, can't food wachacha.
We need nkɔmɔ ahodoɔ bebree ana akɔ so a mabɔ ne tɔfa nnɛ mede asom ho ɛwɔ NBTV so yɛ social media trend yɛ mede ama wo nnɛ yɛbɛkɔ so adi asɛm yi akyi de bɛfiri mu aba biara no memfa nka ma me ne mahwɛfoɔ ɔhene ni yɛ pia